In 1908, the Gamble House was designed by Charles and Henry Greene for David and Mary Gamble as a winter home in Pasadena, California. The bungalow was created in the arts and crafts style with influences from Japanese design. Intricate woodwork is used extensively on the interior, along with handcrafted furniture and light fixtures. The home is well suited to the local climate with cross ventilation and rooms that have direct access to the outdoors, as well as sleeping porches. Try some creative ice cream flavors at Wanderlust Creamery. See this incredible house in Pasadena.